Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be talking about Ipsy Refreshments. For some reason I got sent a bag with my last Ipsy stuff from May. Yes, from my May boxes. So we're going to go over that. I have touched on this before, but I did also previously, I did order. I got the razor from them, so I will let you know about that in case you didn't see my previous video about it. But yes, my name is Kristen. I'm a lover of colorful makeup and wrestling. So anyways, yes, so Ipsy Refreshments. I made a video about this when it first started, and it actually got quite a few views, you know, for my channel. I'm not saying it went viral or anything. But yeah, so I just thought we'd talk about it more, like I said, especially since I got more. I believe I got this in my Glam Bag X. And I think that might be why I got my Glam Bag X so late, because I got it June 3rd, I think. It's for May, but I got it June 3rd. But yeah, I think it's because I had this in there. So they sent me, for some reason, for free, their free little starter kit, and I made sure I wasn't charged for it, and I wasn't, so it's really weird. But so they send it in this bag, and I think they send them in that bag all the time, which is a waste, because if you have Ipsy, if you keep getting Ipsy for months and you actually order that, you're going to have so many of those bags. But so we have a little pamphlet in here, and this says the Ultimate Pamper Experience Self-Care Starter Kit formulated to banish boring. So you get cleansing face wipes, and it does say 100% biodegradable, which is actually kind of cool. And then a luscious hand cream. It says shea butter, grapeseed oil, olive oil, non-greasy hydration, which is good. And it does say clean, vegan, and cruelty-free ingredients, which is great. So anyways, so you can see this is the products that they currently have. Right here you see deodorants, you see a body cream, a body wash, oh, shaving cream as well. I didn't order that though because, anyways, you do get a few stickers. I did get those before with the first time that I got these. So I will link that first video over there in the corner. But so yes, so I got the face wipes and the luscious hand cream. We're going to go over the face wipes first. So it's very plain packaging. There's not much on it. It just says Refreshments Cleansing Face Wipes 30 count. And then we have ingredients listed on the back. It says rinse-free removal of makeup dirt and oil. Leave skin feeling fresh and hydrated. Safe for eye area. And star ingredients. Argan oil, aloe vera juice, sunflower seed oil, and then you got all the other ingredients listed there on the back, which is good. That is very good. I did open it up and I already used it. Now I will say with the last one or two of these that I had gotten, oh, now I'm having problems opening it up. They were very dry. They were super dry, but I opened this one up and they're not dry, so I will give them that. Yes, I used one. They're quite juicy in fact, which is good. The downside is it's still a face wipe and it is a waste. A lot of people don't like face wipes anymore. I'm not saying everyone says to get rid of them, but it's still a disposable individual face wipe. So there's that. And then we have the hand cream. Luscious hand cream. It says Citrus Sprtz. This is 2 full ounces. A luscious drink for thirsty hands. Soak it all in. Nourishes skin, nails, and cuticles. Quick absorbing, non-greasy hydration. Kind to skin. This says star ingredients, shea butter, grapeseed oil, and olive oil as well. Now, I will say I did have, I think, 2 of these. I think I ended up getting 2 of them for some reason prior. The hand cream itself is very good in terms of how it makes your hands feel. And I do kind of, especially during the winter, I get dry skins. I get dry skins, yes, I get dry skin because of where I work on the train, and it's all recycled air and it's all dry air. Anyways, so it does feel good. I will give it that. It does feel good, but this says Citrus Sprtz. It does smell like the previous ones I've gotten, and it doesn't smell like citrus at all to me. This smells like the perfume Opium, and it still smells like opium. Now, I don't know what the ingredients are supposed to be in opium, but this isn't reminiscent of citrus at all to me. Let me know down below if you've gotten this and what you think of the smell. it's enough for me to be able to use it at least. Like, I usually, if I don't like a smell, I'm like, get it the fuck away from me, throw it across the room, burn it with fire. But this is okay. This is tolerable. I can use it. I do have tons of hand lotion type things like this, so I might end up giving this to someone because I've already opened it. But there is that. It's not citrus, so rename it. And then also the... Ooh! Dropping stuff. So the razor kit. Refreshments Luxe 5 Blade Razor Kit. A lot of people get this wrong and think there should be 5 things. It just says 5 blade. The literal blade, and I put one of the heads on here already. The blade has 5 blades. That's what they're talking about. 5 blade. It's not 5 items. So we have separately, you get the handle, you get 2 heads, so this is 1 and 2, and then the little piece that you can put it on to your shower to hang it up. I've tried using those types of things before with other brands, and I don't know, they don't really work for me. So anyways, I'm going to pull my phone out and we're going to look and see how much these cost. Now, I didn't get the deodorant. I'm not going to try them because none of the scents look very good to me. They're very basic looking, but they're saying their deodorants are $8. No thank you. So the Luscious Hand Cream is $5. If you got the Citrus Sprtiz Body Cream, that's $9. So basically you're on par with Bath & Body Works, which have a lot of nicer scents. And you can get a lot of deals and sales with that. But anyway, so the face wipes are $6. Girl, if you really need face wipes like that, go to the dollar store. They sell them. And you can get way more. And then we have a Pearly Body Wash. Now, I do remember I got that too for some reason. I don't remember why. And I don't know if I was supposed to send it to someone or what. My room's a mess. It's in here somewhere probably. But I remember smelling it and it smelled terrible. And then they have the Pillowy Shave Cream, which is $6, and then the razor cartridge refills are $5. So I don't know how much this kit costs, but if you just get 2 of the blades, it's $5. So honestly, unless you just like really don't go out shopping, this isn't much of a deal to me for any of this stuff. So I think I ended up getting this for $5 on sale as like an intro or something because they had just come out with it. But yeah, not worth it in my opinion. Let me know down below what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also though, one more thing, it is very hard. They say it's easy, but it's very hard to cancel this stuff. And another thing, if you cancel all your Ipsy subscriptions but you forget to cancel this, you're still going to get your refreshments every month and get billed for it. So make sure you cancel all of it, okay? But yeah, so you have to go into the refreshments tab on the app or on the website, I assume. I'm just on the app right now. And you have to, I've already canceled it, so I wish I recorded that. But you have to click on your thing, and then you have to click frequency, and then it'll show you the little thing to cancel it. So yeah, it's crazy. So anyways, yes, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell me down below what you think of this. If you get refreshments, what you think of that scent, because I don't like it. And don't forget, I'm also a weirdo and I post every single day at 3 p.m. So I will talk to you later. Bye.